First reading, 2 Thessalonians chapter 2 verse 1 to 3, 14 to 16. About the coming of our Lord Jesus Christ, brothers, and our being gathered to him, please do not be too easily thrown into confusion or alarmed by any manifestation of the Spirit or any statement or any letter claiming to come from us, suggesting that the day of the Lord has already arrived. Never let anyone deceive you in any way. It cannot happen until the great revolt has taken place and there has appeared the wicked one, the lost one. Through our gospel he called you to this so that you should claim as your own the glory of our Lord Jesus Christ. Stand firm, then, brothers, and keep the traditions that we taught you, whether by word of mouth or by letter. May our Lord Jesus Christ himself, and God our Father who has given us his love and, through his grace, such ceaseless encouragement and such sure hope. Responsorial Psalm, Psalms chapter 96 verse 10, 11 to 12, 13. Say among the nations, Yahweh is King. The world is set firm, it cannot be moved. He will judge the nations with justice. Let the heavens rejoice and earth be glad. Let the sea thunder, and all it holds, let the countryside exult, and all that is in it, and all the trees of the forest cry out for joy at Yahweh's approach, for he is coming to judge the earth. He will judge the world with saving justice, and the nations with constancy. Gospel, Matthew chapter 23 verse 23 to 26. Alas for you, scribes and Pharisees, you hypocrites! You pay your tithe of mint and dill and cumin and have neglected the weightier matters of the law: justice, mercy, good faith. These you should have practiced, those not neglected, you blind guides, straining out gnats and swallowing camels. Alas for you, scribes and Pharisees, you hypocrites! You clean the outside of cup and dish and leave the inside full of extortion and intemperance. Blind Pharisee! Clean the inside of cup and dish first, so that it and the outside are both clean.